In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to confirm subscribers on ConvertKit. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's jump right in. If you've been using ConvertKit for your email marketing, you probably know how important it is to keep your subscriber list clean and healthy. A confirmed subscriber is someone who has opted in to receive your emails, which not only helps improve your engagement rates, but also ensures that you're connecting with people who actually want to hear from you. So what we want to do today is go through the steps on how to confirm those subscribers in ConvertKit. If you're just starting out, it's essential to set this up correctly from the beginning to avoid any complications down the line. First off, let's log in to your ConvertKit account. If you don't have one yet, go ahead and create it. Once you're in, navigate to the Subscribers tab located on the left-hand side of your dashboard. You'll see a list of all your subscribers here, but we want to focus on the ones who haven't confirmed their subscriptions yet. Look for the Unconfirmed section. It's a great way to identify who still needs to verify their email addresses. Generally, these are people who signed up but didn't click that confirmation link. They might be busy or even forgot about it, so it's great to have a plan to follow up with them. Now, you can take a few steps to get those unconfirmed subscribers to click that link. One effective method is to send a reminder email. To do this, you want to create a new email campaign. Go to the Email tab and select Broadcast. Here, you'll have the chance to craft your message. Remember to keep it friendly and straightforward. Let your subscribers know how crucial it is to click that confirmation link so they can start receiving your amazing content. Once you've written your email, customize it with your brand elements. This includes your logo, color palette, and any other design features that represent your brand. After you've finalized your email, select the recipients. Make sure you filter to only include those unconfirmed subscribers this time. It's really important to double-check your email. Make sure everything looks perfect because you want to create a professional impression. After you're satisfied with it, hit that Send button. After you've sent out that reminder email, you might want to give it a couple of days so people have time to check their inboxes. After that, let's head back to your Subscribers tab and reevaluate the unconfirmed list. You might see some of those names start to disappear from that list as people confirm their subscriptions. Now, if after some time there are still subscribers who haven't confirmed, you might want to consider sending one last email. This time, emphasize the benefits of confirming their subscription. Let them know what they are missing out on, perhaps exclusive content, special offers, or insightful newsletters tailored just for them. Sometimes, it may also be necessary to clean your list a bit. If someone hasn't confirmed after multiple attempts, and you think they may no longer be interested, it's totally okay to remove them from your list. Healthy engagement is always better than a long list of unresponsive subscribers. And that, my friends, is how you confirm subscribers on ConvertKit. Remember that building an engaged email list doesn't happen overnight. It's all about consistent communication and offering value. To wrap things up, make sure to interact with your subscribers regularly once they're confirmed. Engagement keeps your audience coming back for more. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. Your support means the world to me, and it helps keep this channel going.